guys, welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Tracy, and I'm so glad you stopped in to craft with us. The project we're about to do in this video has been an idea in my mind for quite some time, and I finally got my screened-in patio cleaned up and my furniture arranged, and I thought this will be the perfect addition to a little seating area I have out on my porch. So let's go ahead and get started. We start our project with a few wood supplies. You're going to need a small dowel of some sort. I'm showing you here the Walmart dowels, but I'm going to be using the bamboo skewers from Hobby Lobby. They also sell them at the Dollar Tree. You'll also need 2 bamboo hoops from the Dollar Tree. They sell them in a 2-pack, and you'll need the 2 largest sizes. Now, to prep the wood skewers, I'm going to take a pencil and a ruler. I'm going to measure out at 6-inch increments all the way up to the tip of the bamboo skewer. And then once you have them measured out, you'll come in and you'll cut them. Now I'm going to be using a Stanley clamping miter box. It's just a inexpensive little miter box, and it works out perfectly for this project. You'll be left with a pile of 6-inch bamboo pieces. Then we'll bring in our Dollar Tree bamboo hoops, and we're going to take out the large size out of each package. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to glue the bamboo skewer pieces to the outer edge of our bamboo rings. And to do that, I found taping down the bamboo rings to your surface really helps. Okay, great. Now that we have that done, we're going to just start gluing our bamboo pieces to our bamboo hoops. How many times can I say bamboo? Anyway, you'll just take a little bit of hot glue. Now I'm going to be using the Gorilla hot glue because it bonds wood. And you just put a little dab on each end, and you'll just attach your bamboo pieces. And you will continue this process all the way around. Okay, now that we have our bamboo barrel, say that 3 times fast, we're going to move on to putting a crossbar across the top of our barrel. And to do that, I'm going to be using this square dowel that I cut down to 8 inches. Then you're going to just find the center piece or the center of your bamboo barrel, and you'll just attach the crossbar piece. And once you've found the middle of your bamboo barrel, you'll then attach your crossbar with a touch of hot glue. Now I used hot glue on 3 sides of mine just to make sure it was secure. Okay, that looks perfect. I love how this is turning out already. Now we're going to move on and we're going to paint our bamboo barrel with our crossbar a hammered copper from Rust-Oleum. I then bring in a few more supplies, and that's going to be one of these jars from the Dollar Tree. Now I have 2 here because I'm going to be doing 2 of the project, but we're just going to be working on 1 for right now. And I'm going to spray them with this Color Shot spray paint in root beer float. Doesn't that sound delicious? I'm also going to be painting this black candlestick I got from the Dollar General in the same spray paint. Now that we have those painted, we'll move on to attaching the 2. And to do that, we're going to be using some E6000 and a bit of hot glue. And now that all of our pieces have dried completely, we're going to attach our bamboo barrel to the top of our jar lid. We're going to find the center, making sure our bamboo barrel is hanging straight, and then we're just going to attach it with some E6000 and some touches of hot glue. Okay, look at how cute this is coming out. Anyone guess what I'm making? Okay, now we're going to move on, and yes, I'm making a lamp, but we need to add the lights. Now, a lot of people use solar lights, but if it's on a porch, how is it going to get enough sun to be lit up at night? That was always my question. So I decided to use something else, and it's going to be these copper wire lights, which are remote controlled twinkle lights from Harbor Freight. And the only real trick here is just to make sure whatever light you use, that your battery pack will fit through the mouth of the jar. And then I just proceed to stuff the lights down into the jar. And once you have your lights stuffed down in your jar, you'll just screw on the lid of your jar, and that serves as your lampshade. Now, you could just leave it plain like this. I think it is gorgeous this way, but I'm going to add a little bling to mine, and I'm going to be using this wire ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be putting it at the top of my lampshade and at the bottom just to trim it out. I also finished the lampshade up with these 3 Jenga pieces, and oddly enough, the Jenga pieces came in this color. It matched perfectly. So here it is in the daylight, sitting on my little table. And then here is the night shot, which I think looks so gorgeous. And you'd be shocked at how bright those lights are. They're perfect. Hey guys, that wraps it up for this DIY project. And I think it turned out really, really cute. I can't wait to sit out on my porch with my little puppy and just enjoy the sounds of nature. Well, thank you so much for sticking around to the end. And if you haven't yet subscribed, we'd love to have you here at Sweet Bay Lane. And if you are a subscriber, I'm so grateful to have you. Well, until next week, happy crafting!